Welcome back to Coyote Classics. I'm Dalton, that's Chad, and today we're checking out a 1966 Chevelle. This is a fun car. It's got a great look, but the best part about it is how it runs and drives. 454 with a 5-speed manual Tremec transmission. A beautiful color.
We really transformed this one, D.
Yeah,
when we first got it in, we took it for a drive. It had, to me, it had super ugly wheels on it. Right, they were like 16 American Racing, non-polished, just polished, small tires. We buffed it out, detailed it, jammed it, painted all the jams. Really took it to that next level, and I love this one.
Yeah, like I said, I was blown away when I drove it. Just how nice it goes down the road. The power, how nice it shifts. I was really impressed with the drivability on this Malibu.
Yeah, it's just a driver. It's not a show car. You can pull into any cruise night and stuff like that and be proud of it. But you look under the hood, you can tell the black paint and stuff is just a driver quality. It has some buzz bomb stuff around the, around the engine bay. They did some chrome stuff to dress it up, but it's just an older restoration. But they did so much mechanically to it.
Yeah.
5-speed Tremec, big block.
They put the money where they cared,
Yes, to make sure they could jump in and get where they want to go. We did have Tim buff it out, and I hope the sun peeks out here a little bit because this blue metallic is a gorgeous color. We went ahead and shined all the bumpers up. The front bumper looks great. The rest of the trim's original, so it has just a little bit of discoloration here and there on the chrome trim, but all in all, great looking car. Front to back on the hood is nice and straight. Back of the hood lines up good. Couple tiny little paint imperfections right here. There's your windshield area all the way across. I'll show you that kind of first. But it does, on this little pan, does have a few little bubbles right down along that windshield area right there. Older paint though. It's got, as far as the headlights go, it's got the newer style headlights. If you look up and down the side, it might be a driver, but they really made, the body's nice and straight on it.
Yeah, it is.
Wheels and tires are brand new, BFG RWL TAs, 275s in the back, brand new chrome rims. As we look over the hood, over the roof is beautiful. There's that shine right there. In the sun, it's just beautiful. The rear sail area is excellent, no blems anywhere there. Back window area is good as well. It's got Clarion 6x9s in the back shelf. As we look up and down the sides, again, nice straight, shiny paint. It's got all the Super Sport bottom trim on it. Wheel well trim, back bumper looks nice. It's got nice sound and dual exhaust, also nice tips as well. There again, this trim right here is original, so it's just faded out a little bit. See how it's kind of water stained? Floor pans. Make sure you go to the website, coyoteclassics.com. Check out the floor pans. The floor pans are super solid in it, except for the trunk. Has had a new metal patch put in it, so check that out. Corner of the door is real decent. Looks like they did just a little work, but still nice and thin here. Again, door gem paint, brand new. Door panels, got the Super Sport door panels and the SS dash. So SS clone pretty much to the T.
Yeah.
Rubbers are good, door panels, armrest bases are nice. Like I said, when it came in, it still had the original blue paint and the jams and the bottom of the trunk lid. We got that all taken care of and it looks so much better. Correct bucket seats in it. Headliner is new, but whoever did it did not know what they were doing. They need to, someone needs to take that new headliner and stretch that out. Unfortunately, I don't have anyone here that is worth a crap at it either. Super Sport emblems in the back door panels, front door panels, looks great. Tilt steering column, aftermarket gauges, which we'll get to in a little bit. Nice stereo system.
Yep.
Subs in the trunk, dash pad is great. Got an aftermarket Hurst shifter down here. If you don't like it, a couple $100 to change that shifter. I don't like it. Dalton, you said you did.
I liked it, yeah.
All right, 6-disc CD changer, MTX Thunder sub, amplifier, and it's got, I don't know what it's got for subs in here, but it's got subs. As far as the metal goes, it's had a sheet metal patch in here. I mean, it's all solid, seam sealed, everything like that, but it's just, like I said, it's not show quality.
Yep. But the floors were really nice on it.
Floors are awesome original, except for that trunk. Way down low, there's a couple little bubbles right here. See just a little bit right there. Over the wheel well is good. Again, roof area is nice. There is a blemish right here.
Same type of deal on this side.
Does it? Okay. Yep. Like I said, driver.
Yep.
It might be a driver, but from 4 foot, man, it looks like a show winner. It looks nice.
Yep. And like I said, the way it runs and drives is awesome. And if you want a show car, we got those too, but you're going to spend $20,000, $30,000 more.
Yeah, gotcha. Open up the door. Corner of the door is good. Rubbers are new. Felts are not. Felts are the originals. And Dalton, this was an original mist blue car. This is original blue car too.
Nice.
So, roof rail rubbers are the originals as well. So if a guy wants to do something yourself, you could definitely pop those in. It's got a Grant GT wheel. Factory VIN number showing that this was a Malibu, not a Super Sport. Seats are excellent. Chrome around the seats are good. Back seat's nice. Let's get to the best part of it, the way it drives. Okay. Tilt wheel. You don't like the steering wheel, but I think it's fine.
Yeah.
It's got 3,283 miles on the, basically probably on the mechanical build, okay? Power steering. Horn works, it's got a button down here. Wipers work.
Radio works. Oh, that does have some good bass.
I know it. That's all right.
Sounds good.
This is like, you gotta wear like a Death Leopard shirt in this car or something.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Big
perfect.
stereo, great sounding motor. I gotta have a taller shifter too. That's me, right? I know you like this little pistol grip, but to me, I want a shifter right here. But again, everyone can do their own thing.
And everyone has their own preferences. Even just on this car, you and I are, divided on 3 different things. So everyone has their own preference.
The dome light does not work, okay? Other than that, it's got an electric fan, all right? It's got a switch right here, Dalt, right there, and it shows when it's on, the light's on. See it?
Yep.
Okay. Gas gauge works. We filled it up when we got it. It's got 3/4 still. Me and you personally check that out. Tack works right here. Oil pressures between 45 and 60. Dude, I like this car.
Yeah, it's fun. Like I said, just one that if you wanted to get in and drive
whoa. Look at this.
it goes way back too, don't it?
Yeah, somebody put, when they put this bucket in, they left a lot of room. Actually, it's been on a long time since I had to get in a bucket seat and move it up.
Yeah. But what I like about this one is it's a car you can pull out of the garage. You don't have to worry about parking it in a parking lot. You can go have some fun with it, squeal some tires, play the music loud and just have a ball.
I know, it's awesome, man. This is definitely the color, the stereo system, the SS clone, the wheels, tires. It's it's a attention grabber.
Yes.
Let's go through the gears first with the old girl. I'm in love with it. I was when it looked like crap. With those, you know what I mean? Here's your brakes, look at that. Like you said, why would somebody, because they didn't paint the door jambs and the trunk and all that, why would somebody go through this expense, leave those ugly wheels on it, not paint the door jambs, and spend all that money on the stereo system and the drivetrain?
So that's what they cared about, you know what I mean?
Yeah, but we care about look. So we did the look, and then you already had the drivability. I think this is going to make somebody a great car.
Yeah, it is. Jesus.
Tell how much I like it. And this thing, 4,000 RPM at 70, 4th gear, 5th gear. I mean, we're pushing 2,100 RPM at 70 mile an hour.
And even the suspension, the handling of it's awesome.
But like I said, I was a huge fan before, but wow.
Synchros are great.
Yeah, there's third gear, 60 mile an hour. If you want to really make a wild car out of this, you could go ahead and put some steeper gears in, maybe like a 355 or a 373. But that 5-speed would make this car insane.
Yeah.
I think it's probably got like, I'll have to check it, but maybe like 308s or something now.
Yeah, it's got more of a highway gear.
Turn signal indicator works. And this 5-speed is great. I mean, it goes into the gear great, no gear noise. Steering works good. Temp gauge works 2D. It's got a big electric fan and electric aluminum radiator, so it's only running 160. So let's just go through it nice and normal here. 3,500. We're just cruising, aren't we? Windows go up and down great.
Yep. The back ones are still down, but front ones.
Yeah. Guys, this is going to be a good car. I think if you get this video on today, I don't think it's going to last a weekend.
No, it's an awesome car. Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.